Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video, I explained about the fundamentals of trigonometry, that means trigonometric ratios with formulas I explained. In this video, I want to explain trigonometric ratios, that means values, to the angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 with proofs, that means with derivatives. See, what are the values of these angles? First, I wrote in a tabular form. First ones you check. Sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. The degrees are 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. These are the values. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. Cos 0 0, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. Tan 0 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, tan 90 infinity. That means this value we cannot determine. In that case, we will simply write the infinity symbol. Cosecant 0 is infinity, cosecant 30 is 2, cosecant 45 is root 2, cosecant 60 2 by root 3, cosecant 90 1. Secant 0 is 1, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, secant 45 is root 2, secant 60 is 2, secant 90 is infinity. Cot 0 is infinity, cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 by root 3, cot 90 is 0. These are the values. Okay. Now we should derive these values with triangles. That means we should derive these values, how they have these values. Now I will explain the derivations for 30 and 60 in this video. Next video I will explain. Now see, to explain the derivations for 30 degrees and 60 degrees, we have to consider an equilateral triangle. We have to consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Suppose ABC is an equilateral triangle ABC. We know equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Three sides are equal. I am taking this value. Let these sides lengths I am taking as 2a. Whatever value you want, we can take, no problem. Okay, the sides are 2a. Now angles. See, because three sides are equal, the three angles also equal. The property, triangle property, if in any triangle, if the sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. According to that property, because this is equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. That's why all the angles also equal. All the angles are equal, but angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. That is triangle property. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. The three sum is 180, but each are equal. Then definitely you know that is equally divided. Three angles are equally sharing. That is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. A is equal to 60, B is equal to 60, C is equal to 60. Next, from the vertex A onto the side BC, we should construct an altitude. A perpendicular we should draw from the vertex A onto the side BC. Okay, there is a theorem. If for in equilateral triangle, the altitude drawn from vertex to the opposite side divides that side to equal parts. Divides that side into equal parts. Suppose D here, you mention the name D. This is D. AD is the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex. See, vertex A to the opposite side BC. Then according to theorem, it divides this BC side into equal parts. So BD is A and DC is A, because equally it is dividing. BD is A and DC is A. Now see, consider right angle triangle ABD. Right angle triangle ABD. In that ABD triangle, we know the value of this side AB is 2A and BD A, but we don't know this AD value. First we should find out. Why? Because if you know the three sides values only, we can find the trigonometric ratio values. But here AD value we don't know. First we should find out. How can you find out? Because this is right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? According to Pythagoras theorem, in any right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining sides. That is the hypotenuse. That is the Pythagoras theorem. That is Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In any right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining side. That is Pythagoras theorem. According to that theorem, so I will write here, according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle ABD, so AB square, this is hypotenuse square is equal to side square, one side square is BD square plus another square is AD square. This is Pythagoras theorem. In any right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse, that is AB square, is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining sides. That is Pythagoras theorem. Now substitute the given values. AB value you know, yes, 2A. Now square it. Square is there. BD, A square plus AD we don't know. That only we should find out. Now expand this. 4A square. 2 square is 4A square is equal to A square plus AD square remains like that. Now you want AD square. This you send that side. It will, what will happen? 4A square minus A square. AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square is 3A square. Now we want only AD, means 3A square root, that is root 3A. For root 3 we don't know the root 3 only. For A square root is A. So AD value is root 3A. Like that we can find out the side AD by using Pythagoras theorem. Understood? Now once you know the three sides in a right angle triangle, then we can write the trigonometric ratios. Now see, whatever we want we can write. Now because this is 60, now these two are same triangles, then this is 30 degrees, then this is 30 degrees. So the altitude divides it into bisect this angle. The altitude bisects this angle and bisect the side also. So 30 degrees. Now first our aim is to find 30 degrees and 60 degrees. First for angle 30 degrees. For angle 30 degrees we are writing. So sine. What is sine? Opposite side by formula hypotenuse. What is the sine formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here sine, what is the angle? Sine of what? 30 degrees. Directly we can write sine 30. So for 30 degrees angle for this triangle, what is the opposite side? BD. By what is hypotenuse? AB. So values you substitute. BD is A by AB is 2A. Now AA cancel 1 by 2. Next cos 30 degrees. Cos is formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is adjacent side for 30 is AD. By hypotenuse is AB. The value of AD is root 3A by 2A hypotenuse. Cancel. AA cancel root 3 by 2. Next is tan of 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. Tan formula is opposite side by adjacent side. That is for 30 degrees opposite side is BD. Opposite side is BD by adjacent side is AD. Now value substitute. BD value is A by AD value is root 3A. Root 3 AA cancel 1 by root 3. Like that. Next is cosecant. Cosecant 30. What is cosecant formula? Simply no need to see there. Simply opposite these. Cosecant means for sine opposite you write. For sine opposite by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse by opposite. This is BD by AB. Here AB by BD. That is A by 2A means 2a by a, simply inverse, that is 2. So now next ratio is secant 30. Secant is what? Opposite to cos. Cos formula, everything you reverse. Hypotenuse by adjacent, that is AB by AD, that is 2a by root 3a. 2a by root 3a cancel, 2 by root 3. Lastly, cot. Cot 30 degrees is, cot formula is reverse of tan, adjacent side by opposite side, that is AD by BD, that is root 3a by a cancel, root 3. These are the values. Once you check from the table, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cosecant 30 is 2, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, cot 30 is root 3. Like this, we can derive for angle 30 degrees. Next, 60 degrees. See, in this triangle ABD, this is 30 degrees, here 60 degrees there already. We want 60 degrees only, right angle triangle. So directly we can apply, easy. See, same triangle is useful. So see, from that directly we can write for angle 60 degrees. So write directly sin 60, but angle will change here from here. Sin 60, for this what is sin formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So for this you should write, for 60 opposite side is AD, hypotenuse is AB. What is AD value? A. Then AD value is root 3a. AD value is root 3a. This hypotenuse is AB is 2a. A cancel, root 3 by 2. So next is cos. Cos 60 degrees. Cos formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is adjacent side for this 60 is BD by hypotenuse is AB. BD value is A by AB value is, BD value is AB value is 2a. A cancel, 1 by 2. Next is tan 60. Tan formula is opposite side by adjacent side, that is for this opposite side is AD by adjacent side is BD. So that is AD is root 3a by BD is A cancel, value is root 3. Next simply cosecant 60. This is simply opposite to sine, that is hypotenuse by opposite side, hypotenuse by opposite side, that is AB by AD, that is 2a by root 3a. A cancel, 2 by root 3. So like that secant 60, this is opposite to cos, that is formula is hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is AB by BD, that is 2a by A cancel 2. So likewise cot 60, cot is exactly opposite to tan, that is formula is adjacent side by opposite side, that is BD by here AD, that is A by root 3a. A cancel, 1 by root 3. These are the values. Once check these values. Sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Tan 60 is root 3. Cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Secant 60 is 2. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. So like this we can derive. But what we should remember is, to prove the 30 degrees angle, 60 degrees angle, we should construct equilateral triangle. If you remember this equilateral triangle, then remaining all according to theorems we can just imagine. So this is the procedure. Okay, I think all of you understood this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.